As we track the latest developments surrounding the closure of SVB, want to bring in a journalist who's been following this story super closely. Liz Hoffman is here, Semaphore Business and Finance editor. Over the weekend, she reported on a number of hedge funds offering to buy startups' deposits that were stranded. That was, of course, before the government stepped in. But we're all trying to figure out, has what the Fed has done stopped things?
I think they haven't so much stopped the run as they've said they're going to fund it. Right. You'll note they didn't say every deposit in the country is now insured. I think mostly
but
for
they kind of
legal.
Did implicitly.
A little bit, but I think there's some gray areas where they can actually do that at the FDIC. And they said, we're not going to stop this, but we are going to fund it. So they opened the spigot and via the banks are going to put just a fire hose of money into deposit.
The big question is all the folks at JP Morgan and Bank of America and Wells Fargo whose phone was ringing off the hook over the weekend because people wanted to open up accounts, whether those calls stop or do they continue? And if they continue, we got a different problem.
Agreed. I don't know. I mean, First Republic stock is down 60-70% pre-market. That's a different, than
even
the deposits.
With the promise for the
even with the and they raised money last night separately from the new Fed facility. So,
but is that the high sign? Is that the high sign that I'm hoping we don't have a problem? But do you look at that and say, okay, there's a problem here? Or do you think that's idiosyncratic to that bank?
I don't think it's idiosyncratic. My sense is all these regionals are still here on Friday, but they're half as big as they were last week. And by the way, they're going to replace this incredibly cheap deposit funding with prevailing Fed funds rate in the new facility, which means their margins just collapsed.
Right.
So none of these stocks are going to trade at remotely what they've traded at for the last couple of years.
Well, right. They're not going to trade because the business model's not the same. But are the deposits going to stick? I guess that's the...
I don't know.
Yeah.
And the problem, it's not really an issue, right? Because if they can take their assets and take them to the Fed and give that money to the depositors, it'll come down, but they'll just be a lot smaller than they were a week ago.
Are you in the camp of this becomes disinflationary insofar as if all these small banks, either lose deposits, get treated like systemically important institutions, therefore have to raise capital requirements and all sorts of other things, means that the loans that they're going to be providing folks are going to cost a lot more, meaning there's going to be a lot less?
The answer is yeah, but the other way to look at it is that these loans were massively below market for a long time. And look, I've heard slightly conflicting things, right? I was talking to a banker at a GSIB over the weekend. He was kind of complaining, saying that, well, our competitive advantage is that we get excess deposits because people think that we will be here tomorrow and that we're going to lose that to the small banks. The other side is, why would you have your money at one of these tiny banks when there's even a remote risk of this happening again? So I don't know. I think it'll be a very messy couple of weeks in the short-term funding markets.
What do you make of the venture capital community over the weekend, loud and proud on Twitter, begging for a bailout? Yeah. This is a community you've written a lot about over the years, and I'm thinking of the David Saxes of the world and everybody else who was Jason Calcanis screaming, we need a bailout, we need a bailout, at the same time that the venture capital community has historically been relatively libertarian, called for less regulation for the most part. By the way, SVB called for less regulation. In fact, less regulation that probably allowed this to happen to begin with, special tax treatment in the form of carried interest. Does that change, do you think, in the public mind's eye? In the way people look at venture capital?
There's no ideologues in foxholes, right? That stuff goes out the window quickly.
And I'm not saying we shouldn't have bailed them out. I'm just suggesting that there might be some other ramifications.
I totally agree. I think this will not make anyone in Silicon Valley more popular with the rest of the country. I think a little differently about the moral hazard argument. The depositors at Silicon Valley Bank were not mom and pop, but the checking and savings account product, the people who open those can't realistically, I don't think, be expected to stay on top of bank balance sheet risks. That's not their job. And if you're going to push that to depositors, then what are banks here for, right? So I think this is a little bit of a different argument than 2008, but politically, I would expect there to be a lot of...